Hey guys, X Gear sent me this tuner for free so I can check it out. I wanted to show you how easy it is to use. All you're gonna do is simply turn it on over here. Now the first thing you're gonna notice, it's got a very big and bright LCD screen. That makes it super easy to see what you're doing. Over here, you're gonna toggle through the different options. G is for guitar. You got B for bass. U for ukulele. C for chromatic. But of course, the best part is the ease of use. You're simply gonna clip it on to the end of your guitar like so. You can adjust it to the perfect viewing angle. I'm gonna start with the E string. Now when you hit it, you can see it needs to be a little tighter, so I'm just gonna give it a little twist here. Hit it again. It needs to be a little bit tighter yet, so I'll give it a little more. Perfect. It's USB rechargeable using the provided cables here, so you don't have to worry about any batteries. Super easy to use, and I would definitely recommend this for anyone who has any type of guitar, whether it's acoustic, bass, electric, or even a ukulele.